Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ethiopia. In today's video, my husband Daniel will show you how he made a DIY cinder block bench within a budget. It only cost him about $75 to get this project done. Also, today's video is part of a series of our patio and yard transformation, so we're very excited. Tune in until the end. So right here, as you see, Dan is making sure everything is leveled before we go ahead and paint the blocks and the woods. So guys, this patio transformation was a long time coming, especially now that we're at home because of the quarantine. You know, we wanted to make sure that it is enjoyable both to us and to our children, so we can have fun and enjoy the sun and our backyard. So I really cannot wait to show you what it looks like at the end. This is, like I said, part one, and we will do our patio and decorate our yard. And I think it's going to be beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you. So after you watch this video, we will be uploading our next video very soon. So please tune in. Okay, now that Daniel is done with painting the woods, I'll go ahead and paint the blocks. They're very easy to paint and so quick to dry. And then afterwards, Daniel will go ahead and start making the bench. We didn't have to buy the paints. We had a leftover paint that we used for the blocks and woods.
Por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable.
Now everything is painted and dry. Daniel's gonna go ahead and start making the bench.
Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo dirá. Y cuando la encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Ahora con quién voy a a compartir todas mis noches húmedas. Ahora quién me va a dar los besos como tú los das. Todo es una ilusión y eso lo verás. Tú amabas a Nico pero nunca a Nicolás. Tú eras la oveja mala del rebaño. Tu vicio a la fama sí me hizo daño. Tantas promesas fueron.
For this project, all we needed was 6 4x4 woods and 14 blocks and construction adhesive to attach the blocks together. I'll make sure to put the details in the description below for you.
Chica, si te vas y juegas otro papel que nunca te quedará, como eso de serme fiel. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Será? ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? Tú eras todo lo que yo quería. Hoy eres todo lo que quiero olvidar. Tú fuiste bla 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 y mi inseguridad lo hizo más fácil para ti. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Será? ¿Qué será de mí? Si tú te vas. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Será? ¿Qué será de mí?
So just so you know, if we decide to move the bench to a different part of our yard, it is very easy to do so. All we have to do is move the 2 blocks attached together at a time.
And then I'm behind the wheel again, driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low.
Okay guys, I got this beautiful wall decor from Marshall's. It is so beautiful. I like the art. It has a plant painting, different kind of plants. And most of them we have on our yard and patio. So I really thought it would be a good match with our new DIY bench. And yeah, let me know in the comment below how you like it.
Why do I feel so empty deep within? Where did I go wrong?
Already all done, and this is how it looks like at night. So beautiful, very beautiful. We really like the outcome. I'm very proud of Danny. He did a good job. For a longest period of time, we were looking to do something, a DIY, something that we can do ourselves for our yard. So I really think this turned out so beautifully, and the decoration is beautiful, came together very well with the plants and wall decor and everything we have there. Yeah, so if you want to try this at home, please do. It's very budget friendly, easy to make, and leave us in the comment and maybe send me a picture on Instagram or Facebook. You can DM me.
Another day, heading back to what used to be home, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end.
Hey friends, that was it for today. Until I see you on our part 2 patio and yard transformation video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
By those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again, driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm